Hoarding cleanup part 3. That's right. I'm fixing to show you what Christina did today. Yeah. Alright, hang on. I'll get behind the camera and I'll show you what she did. Hang on. So from right here, everything on the right hand side has been cleaned. I'm fixing to show you that right there in just a second. Moved the motorcycle around, opened up that entryway. When we get that moved, we'll be able to walk in and out of that, go right to the pool. Have not worked on that part yet, but let me take you over here and show you this. Tons and tons of stuff was removed from here, thrown away. That now is my pool filters. The TV's gone. We figured something else on that. The bench that was back over here is now there. Yeah, it's got some coolers on it and a couple boxes we gotta go through. As I said, it's space again. Yeah. We will continue cleaning up Papa's place. Yeah, that's a new one. Papa's place. Yeah. We're trying to get this sucker cleaned up. We got a long way to go, but we've made so much progress today. I appreciate Christina coming over here. They're all inside eating brisket. Yeah, Papa made brisket today. We smoked a brisket, 13-pound brisket. It's been smelling good out here all day long. Gigi made her awesome beans. I did not get to videotape that one. I'll do the next one because they're awesome. You want to see them. God bless. Happy Father's Day. Call your daddy. If you can't call your daddy, talk to him in heaven. That's right. God bless. Have a safe week. We will see you. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. See ya.